Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Mufarida from 4th class PBIB. Today I will explain the journal about morphology. The title is The Acquisition of Morphology Learning, the Contribution of Suffix to the Meaning of Derivatives. The reason I brought up this topic is because this topic is very important to measuring students' knowledge of suffix in morphology. Next. Okay, I will explain about this journal. This journal describes about the study explored the development of students' knowledge of the meanings of 10 common English suffix. A test was constructed to assess student knowledge of the contribution of suffix to the meaning of derivatives. In the previous study, researchers have examined more than 6,300 students ranging from 4th grade, 7th grade, and high school. Next, the goal of study. The goal of study is to gain a clear picture of students' acquisition of knowledge about what some common derivational suffix contribute to the meanings of derivative. Next, approach. In this study, the researcher used an approach in the from giving text question to measure student knowledge of suffix. Next, method. In this research, the researchers used several methods including first, subject. Subjects were 630 students from schools in medium-sized Midwestern towns. For many of the students in this study, we were able to obtain standard test score from school files, thus giving us more information about our sample of subject. Second, materials. The contribution of a derivational suffix lies primarily in the effect it has on words, parts of speech, and hence on how suffix word can be used in this sentence. Third, procedure. In the procedure, students were tested in action classroom group, with the exception of the students from high school A who were tested in a single group in the school cafeteria. The suffix test was administered as the second of two paper and pencil tests, both given within a single class period of 45 until 50 minutes. Next, design. In the design, the primary question addressed in the study is whether there is growth in students' knowledge of suffix after 4th grade, after development of other factors, for example, syntactic awareness and test-taking skills, has been taken into account. Next, the result and discussion. The result of STEAM and derivative items, that is their score derivative items, is lower than their score STEAM items. That indicate that they do quite well on STEAM items, but poorly on derivative items. To examine the relationship between morphological knowledge and reading ability, regression analysis were performed separately for each grade level. Next, conclusion. The conclusion of journal is significant development in students' knowledge of suffix was found to occur between 4th grade and high school, with cuts of the ground appearing to occur between 4th and 7th grades. Even in high school, however, most students didn't do as well on derivative items as on STEAM items, indicating that knowledge of even common English suffix wasn't complete. Next, after reading this journal, my critical about this article is, in my opinion, based on the result, I conclude that reading skills are very important to expand and increase students' knowledge of words. This skill is also very helpful for students in answering questions or tests such as morphology. To improve reading skills, teachers must be able to direct their students to love reading and make reading a useful hobby. After reading this journal, I will write an article entitled Improve Students' Reading Skill Through Educational Novels. I think it will be very interesting considering most students prefer novels than journals. And through educational novels, not only make students love reading, but students can also get lesson from the novel. Okay, that's all material that I can convey. More or less I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.